Starting on measure 12, we're going to play all the way to measure 18. And let's start with this left hand thing. So you have A to D, with the 5 to the 2, and B to E with the 4 to the 1, back to A to D, then we have C to E. And that's with the 3 finger on the C and then the 1 finger on the E. That happens twice. And now we're back to B to E, 4 to the 1, and then A to D with the 5 to 2. Now for the right hand. The right hand doesn't come in until measure 13. So you have the left hand playing by itself for a measure. And we're starting the same way we started in the last video with an F sharp to G. So that is what that sounds like. And then 2 more G's, 4 more B's, G, and then G, G, B, B, with the 3 and the 5 fingers, and then G, F sharp, E. So all that together. Rest for 2 beats, and you're going to slide your right hand over just one note where your 5 finger is going to hit a C, and then a B, and then an A, back to a B, and then a C. 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. Moving on, this is where things get a little bit tricky, but only a little bit. So you have to count for 1.5 beats, and that sounds like this: 1 and 2. So that G there with your 2 finger comes in on the and of 2. So if we're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and that is the end of the phrase there. So we're going G, C, B, A, G, 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 A, B, and then these are your fingers, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. So if we put everything together for the right hand, it sounds like this. Rest, rest, move. 1 and 2. Let's put both hands together. We're sharing an E. 1, 2, 3, 4.